What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. As promised, in my vacations 101 video, instead of making a prep day video, here it is. So I want to start off with why I think prep day is so important and what benefits it offers me and what benefits I think it can offer you. It offers me superb organization. I love organized travel. There's too much that can go wrong when you're traveling, and just to have it all just bullet pointed and organized is amazing, and it helps out for smoother travel. I end up creating more time while I'm on my vacations. I'm not rushed and being filled with like this anxiety, like, I can't get it all done, I gotta do this, I gotta do that, I gotta do this, oh, the plane's about to leave. None of that. No craziness. And of course it leaves less room for error. So that's why I started doing a prep day, and it has really impacted my travel tremendously. I want to start off with, how do you schedule a prep day? So let's say you're working and you request time off from the 1st through the 5th. On the 1st, that should be your prep day. Prep day should not be the day that you go to work, in my opinion. And the reason why is because that's the day that you want to get everything done. Every errand that you need to do, every piece of laundry that you need to do, cleaning, all that stuff. If you have multiple appointments that day, nails, hair, toe, doesn't matter. That's when you want to do it on prep day. And you can't be at work for that, of course. And I don't suggest working from home and trying to do it either. Just saying. I mean, but up to you, you know. Everybody's got that thing. I just say incorporate prep day into your schedule when you request time off for vacation. So the 1st would be the prep day. The 2nd, 3rd, and 4th would be vacation time. And the 5th would be your post day. So I'll do another video explaining post day and why it's so important to me. And a lot of things that were happening to me when I didn't have a post day. So now that we got that covered, let's move on to what prep day is. Prep day is the day that you prep for travel. Ta-da! What I mean by that is, and I'll give you guys an example. A lot of times my friends and I will go on vacation or a road trip or whatever it may be. And we'll be like, oh, okay, yeah, we're gonna leave at 10, we're gonna get up super early in the morning. But if it's a road trip, we didn't have any snacks, we didn't have any gas, we didn't have this, we need to stop at the ATMs. We had so much stuff to do beforehand that it ended up pushing our road trip back to like 1, 2 o'clock before we hit the road. And you know, what if we were trying to bypass the 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock traffic? Nope, you're in it now because, you know, those couple of hours were crucial. So had we done that stuff the day before, we could have gotten out even earlier or right when we said we wanted to leave. Do you know what I'm saying? And then also, when it comes to flights, some people don't do well with the hustle and bustle of the airport. People are ripping and running and rushing and this and that and and I've seen so many times people are in the TSA line. Excuse me, my plane's gonna leave in like 15 minutes. I really, could you mind if I skip the whole line? Just please. And you have some people that are like, you should got here earlier. And some people are like, all of us are about to miss our plane. Are you on the 101? Oh, okay, yeah, we're on that one too. You know, see us skipping the line. And it's just too much chaos, I'm telling you. So with that being said, when it comes to the airport, you can smooth out everything, have your Uber ride ready or whatever ride you're using to get to the airport, have time to park, you know, spread out your time. Don't try to bunch it all up together because you didn't do your prep day, because you're running behind because you didn't do your prep day. You know what I'm saying? And when I say prep day, this is what that includes. Laundry. Please, geez, get all that laundry done, because that is going to help you pack. And you know, so many times you see girls in their closets like, I don't know what to wear. I don't know. What am I gonna wear? And it's like, if you did your laundry, half the outfits that you probably already worn are things that you like, and they're dirty. So just wash it, and you have more to pick from. But that's not always guaranteed, depending on where you're going. Because then, what if you're going somewhere tropical and everything that you have is wintertime? You know what I mean? So then you would need to go shopping. But you at least, on your prep day, have the time to go shopping. So now you go shopping for a little bit and pick this, pick that. Okay, cool. Now we can pack. And ideally, you want to get that part done first So once you're all packed and everything, then you go into your grooming. So you got hair, nails, eyebrows, however far your grooming goes, however far you want to do it. Because when you go on vacation, that's the last thing you want to worry about. And you don't ever want to be uncomfortable in your vacation because, you know, your friends are taking pictures, your nails are chipped AF, you know, because you didn't do them. Or your twist out didn't turn out right and you didn't do your hair in a protective style or something anyway. So now what? Just things like that. So you want to make sure your trip is as enjoyable as possible, and you want to be comfortable. And being comfortable sometimes means looking your best, or whatever your standards of best are, you know? The other thing you want to do is the ATM run. You cannot travel without cash. You have to tip this one, tip that one, tip, more tips, cash. You need cash, straight up. And if it's international, you need a hello bank. Please don't shut down all of my cards. I'll be out of town. Okay, thanks. You know, you want to make sure you have all of your IDs. The story that I'm telling you guys about, basically had a plane that was about to leave, and I left my whole purse actually at my job. I don't know, I was in a rush to get out of there and I forgot my whole purse. So I get home, I'm scrambling, I can't find my IDs, and I speed back to work and I find it in my desk. And I speed, and this is like 15 miles on the highway. So during traffic, I'm trying to get there and all that stuff. And then I had to come 15 miles back down to my house. And then I had to go another 15, 20, 25, 30 miles to the airport. It was a mess. I was just in a rush. I was sweating. I was far from relaxed. It was just no bueno. So that's why you want to make sure all of your important stuff, you see them the day before. You know exactly where they are. They're in place. They're by the door. Whatever you need to do. And you're ready to go without having to sweat about it. You know? The other thing is checking in. Set alarms to check into your planes, or make sure your reservations are together. If you can go a step further, I would even say make a mini itinerary. Meaning, this is where we're staying, this is the address. This is what time I need to check in on my flight. This is what time I need to do this, that. You know, whatever the case may be. This is what we're going to be doing here. We're going to be checking out on this day so that you don't ever miss a beat or forget something. You want to leave as little room for error as possible. This is why prep day is so important, I'm telling you guys. And then set alarms so that you're keeping yourself on track. So that you're speeding out your time. So that you didn't spend 3 hours on your makeup and now you have to race to the airport or whatever the case may be to get to where you're trying to go so that you don't miss all your reservations. You know what I mean? So just think about being proactive and creating a smoother travel for yourself. And even though you may be taking a day out of your vacation with requesting time off if you work like that, don't think of it as losing time. Think of it as gaining time, because while you're on vacation, you don't have to worry about any of this stuff, you know? And that's why I think that prep day is so important. So I spent forever talking to you guys, and now I want you to take a glimpse at what I do for my prep day. Hopefully you guys will get some ideas. Hopefully you get inspired, and I hope this video helps you. And I want you guys to leave in the comment section below once you try it how it went. I want to know. You know, I want to make sure that what I'm putting out there is helping you guys and you can benefit from it. And if you find something that makes it even better, share with me because I want to know. So that's it for this video, you guys. Let's take a look at the sneak peek, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.